Welcome once again to another class on maths phobia. Alright, quickly, let's delve into the question. We don't have time to waste. Okay, so we have this question from Y 2023. If x over y is 2, okay, and then y over z is 3, find the value of x plus y over y plus z. Solution. Now, what is the first thing we are going to do? X over y equals to 2. Now, all we simply need to do, if we cross multiply from here, what do you have? X is what? 2y. That means in place of x, I'm going to replace it with what? 2y. So that the whole of my numerator will be what? 2y and y. So now, look at the question. It said, find the value of this. That means we have to get a normal answer. A number as the answer, not a letter. Alright? If you're asked to solve, evaluate, or find the value of something, that means the end product, what you show up as your answer should be a number. But if they say simplify, that means likely you may still have letters in your answer. Okay? So since we're looking for the value, we have to put everything. Replace x for 2y. We're going to write 2y here. We're going to have 2y plus y over y plus. So since we already have y, let us put everything now in terms of what? Y. Okay? Now, so since we're going to have x plus y over y plus z. Okay, so I'm going to have, what is my x? 2y plus y over y plus, so I can also express my z from here in terms of y. So if I cross multiply from here, I'm going to have y equals to what? 3z. So I'm going to make z the sum of the formula, so that I can replace the value here for y. Okay, so we're going to have over 3 over 3. So what is my z? Z is y over 3. So in place of z, we have y over 3. What do you observe? Everything now is just in terms of one letter. And that's how you solve questions like this. Because they say we should find the value. So what do we have? 2y plus y. We have 3y over, we can solve this LCM. Y plus 3 over y, this y over 1. That gives us 3y over LCM is what? Y. Y divided 1 is y. Okay. Sorry, LCM. Okay, y plus y over 3. Sorry, we wrote 3 over y. So we have y over 3. So LCM is not going to be y, it is going to be 3. Alright, so what do we have? 3 divided 1, we have 3. 3 times y should give us 3y. 3 divided 3 is 1. 1 times y, we have y. So that we have 3y over, what do we have? 3y plus y, 4y over 3. And that becomes 3y divide 4y over 3 is 3y over 1. So automatically, we change the divide sign to times. And when we do that, anytime we change divide sign to multiplication sign, the numerator takes the place of the denominator, and the denominator takes the place of the numerator. They swap. So 3 comes up, and 4y comes down. So we have 3 over 4y. So y and cancel y. We have 3 times 3 remaining. 9, 1 times 4, 4, which is equal to 2 whole number, 1 over 4. If you want to leave your answer in decimal, that would be 2 points. If you add 0, 4 in 10, that is 2. 8, remember 2. Add 0 to the 2, you have 24 in 20. We are 5. And that is our answer. Please like, share, and follow for more videos on maths phobia, as we wage war against every fear, plaguing students that are battling with questions like this. Thank you very much.